Hello, hôm nay mình cùng chơi Playtime.
Hi there, my name's Pierre, and welcome to your job as a resource extraction specialist. Now, first things first, as per your agreement, anything you do, hear, see, etc. is strictly privileged. You're never to share any of your experience here with anyone, in any instance, for any reason. Whether that be your closest buddy, your sister's boyfriend, or in a court of law. In short, just don't go spouting off about this job. Let's get started. Usually we'd have 5 other guys working with you to speed things up, but for training purposes, it's just you. Here's the job. You need to collect toy parts to make a giant toy. Get that giant toy on the train, then leave. There's a big pillar in front of you with 3 puzzles on it. When you solve all of the puzzles, the pillar will dispense 1 of the toy parts needed. Go ahead and get started. Okay, these buttons are all going to flash randomly to generate a code. At the end, it'll settle on a code which will flash 3 times in a row. Those are the buttons you want to hit. To complete the puzzle, you'll need to put in 2 of these codes. Great! 1 down. In this one, the piano will play a sequence of notes, and you just have to play them back. In this one, the buttons are going to light up randomly. If a button lights up, hit it immediately. There's always a deposit somewhere nearby. Just find it and toss the toy part in there. It'll do the rest. Stellar! Your job's almost done. Normally,